How to fix if you cannot follow anyone on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you cannot follow anyone on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, verify your account and ensure that you have added and confirmed both of your phone number and email address, and make sure that you're logged in with your account. If that's not your case and still if you cannot follow anyone on TikTok, then what you have to do is open up TikTok application in your mobile device. Head over to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're under your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner, and from here tap on Settings and Privacy. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on Free Up Space, then tap on Clear Cache. Here hit tap on Clear. Once you have done that, or once you have cleared your application cache, now here you have to restart your application. So you can close the application and restart your application completely. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then make sure you know your login credential. After that, uninstall the application. Once you do that, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. That will give your application a fresh restart. After that, log in with your credential and try to follow someone on TikTok, and that may help you solve your problem. And if that still does not help you, switch your network connection. If you're on the Wi-Fi, you can switch your Wi-Fi network to the mobile data or vice versa. And also make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If you have a weak internet connection, then you may have an issue on following someone on TikTok. And if that still does not help you, or in case if you're using a desktop TikTok, then make sure to use the mobile application instead, because sometimes some functionalities like following users may not work properly on the desktop version. So you can use the mobile TikTok application for the better experience. If still not, then you have to wait it out. If you have recently created your account or followed many users in a short time, then TikTok might temporarily restrict your ability to follow others. So in that case, you have to wait for a while, and then the restrictions may usually lift it after a certain period of time. And if that still does not work out for you, the last option is to contact TikTok support. So for that, you have to open up TikTok application again. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way to the end and tap on Report a Problem. Now if you scroll through it, there at the end is option as Chat with Us, where you can directly contact with the TikTok help desk or TikTok support. So in this interface, you can simply type in that you're not able to follow someone on TikTok. After that, the TikTok support will get you back in order to provide a solution to your problem. So make sure to follow the instructions properly. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you cannot follow anyone on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.